Hey, what's going on YouTube? It's Hydrofoam here, and in this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to fix unable to connect to world. Please check your connection to the internet and try again. So this error when you're playing multiplayer Minecraft. So if you're joining a server or a realm in Minecraft Bedrock Edition, sometimes you will get this error, and I'm going to be showing you guys exactly how to fix it in this video. So if you enjoyed, make sure to smash the like button, subscribe if you haven't already, and now let's get started. So firstly, what you're gonna do is go ahead and click on OK. And once you click on OK, basically what you need to do over here is check your Wi-Fi connection. Now for me, all right, so let it load up. So as you guys can see, so it is showing 5 bars. And so this means the Wi-Fi is pretty secure. And so the Wi-Fi isn't really the problem because, if the Wi-Fi was in fact the problem, then I would not have gotten the servers list. It would just say that the server is coming soon and that's all. It wouldn't say anything else. So that's not the problem. But what could be the problem, all right? So for Pocket Edition, what you need to do is go ahead and sign out of your Microsoft account and then sign back in. And the way you do that is basically by heading into settings and then heading into your profile. And then over here, there'll be an option to sign out in Minecraft Pocket Edition. And you basically sign out of your Microsoft account and sign back in. And then after that, you can go ahead and head into a server and it won't show you that problem. And if your internet connection has like 3 bars or 2 bars, then your internet connection may be the problem, and maybe you need to get your setup to a place where the internet is a bit more stable, or maybe change your network, like connect to a different network if you have two networks like I do. And yeah, so this is the second one. And now third one is basically what you need to do is just go ahead and close Minecraft. Go ahead and close Minecraft and then go ahead and open it back up. So I know this is a long process. So this will work on all like Xbox, PlayStation, your PC, as well as your mobile device. Just go ahead and close Minecraft once and then go ahead and open it back up. Alright guys, so we are back in Minecraft and now I'm going to show you. So just go ahead and click on play, alright. And then in your realm also, whatever you want to join, just go ahead and click on it. So it's going to take some time to fetch realms. And yeah, so now I'm just going to go ahead and join the realm. And now as you guys can see, so it is joining and it will take some time. It's going to say loading resource pack, and once it says loading resource pack, that basically means you have almost already joined the realm and it won't show you any error whatsoever. So yeah, let me quickly join the realm. Alright guys, so as you guys can see, so we are in the realm, and yeah, this is basically my realm. And yeah, so this is complete proof that it works. This in fact works. And so if you guys did find this video useful, make sure to smash that like button, subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Now, see ya.